Welcome to Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology, Department of Basic Science. Engineering is the branch of applied science and humanities, which concept of basic mathematics, physics, chemistry, management, and English. Our basic science department will guide you to bridge the relationship between the concept of basic science and humanities. Our faculties will give you a glimpse of the basic science department.
Hello dear students, welcome to Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. My name is Somali Roy. I am HOD of Basic Science and Humanities Department. I teach mathematics. If you want to get good knowledge, skill and placement, our college is the right choice for you. For your help, I gonna tell you some of our basic facilities which we provide to our students. We have highly qualified and student-friendly teachers who always ready to help. We monitor our students in regular basis. In our library we have a very vast collection of books. We have upgraded instruments in our lab and highly qualified technicians. And also in our campus we have free Wi-Fi, CCTV surveillance facility, canteen and separate boys and girls hostel. In this dynamic situation, we organize regular online classes where we teach and clear their doubts, provide notes, suggestion for semester exam. We teachers are also available over phone and WhatsApp. Thank you.
I am Deepika Chatterjee, Assistant Professor of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology under the group of Swami Vivekananda groups of institutes. I used to teach my students business economics and accountancy in first year and project and disaster management, industrial management and entrepreneurship development in third year. When our students will reach their position in their career life, they can do resource allocation, they have the power to do strategic planning, they have the power to take decision making which will be helpful for the solution of the business problem, and definitely it will be very much helpful for the firm where he or she is engaged, and in this way definitely to the society and ultimately to the nation's goal. Actually, I want to tell through this subject our students have required knowledge about finance, international and national economy, accountancy and managerial capabilities through their perception, which will be very much beneficial for their position, for the betterment of their life, in their career and in all respects in their both personal field and professional field. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, I am Anindita Chattopadhyay, Physics Faculty of Basic Science and Humanities Department from Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. All the diploma engineering students have to study some common subjects in first year. Physics is one of them. Physics is such a subject which has uses in any stream of engineering, and our college provides highly qualified, talented, enthusiastic and student-friendly physics faculties as well as technically sound technical assistants. We provide notes and audio lectures on each chapter, discuss application-based questions after completing each module, which helps the students in future in their core subjects as well. Regular assessment of lab copies and assignment copies is essential. We also provide suggestions well before exam and clear the concept of students individually. We provide regular theory classes as well as the lab classes. We have all the upgraded modern instruments in our physics lab. Teamwork and individual assessment is a regular course in physics lab. We also provide doubt clearing session outside the class in all modes. We do mentoring and regular assessment of every student. Faculties are available over phone and WhatsApp as well. We want to upgrade our department all the time. Any suggestions from your side are always welcome. Thank you.
Hi, I am Ananya Sen, lecturer in the Department of Chemistry of Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Chemistry is one of the foundation courses of engineering. It helps to understand what happens in conductors, material selection and fabrication of electronic devices and many more. Besides that, as a member of Basic Science and Humanities Department, we are the first who interact with the freshers and guide them not only as a teacher but also as a mentor. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Tuhin Dash, Assistant Professor of English, Sri Ramakrishna Institute of Science and Technology. Today I will be discussing about the importance of English in technical studies. We assume that students who enroll in technical courses have a basic knowledge of English, but often students find it difficult to apply this knowledge appropriately in specific situations. It is important for technical students to learn to use English proficiently for their curriculum studies at the technical institute and after that to get jobs and perform well at the work sphere. The aim is not merely to increase one's knowledge of English but to provide some enabling skills of English to the students. This might include note taking in English, writing reports and business letters, writing CVs and job applications, writing memos in response to tender notices, communicating through the telephone and email, the ability to handle interviews and group discussions. It has also been kept in mind that each of the above is best achieved through an integrated approach. Conventional courses in English focus on correctness or accuracy in the use of English without adequate stress on what is appropriate, relevant and effective. And I conclude with the hope that English is such a course which equips students with the necessary skills for success in their technical careers will be recognized as an integral part of the technical curriculum and not a mere approach to the main course. And it is also been remembered that English is such a language which cannot be developed within a particular time. It needs time to get an overall development. For that particular reason, we always use to groom our students so that our ability of students can be developed in such a way that cannot be described in words. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
We hope you have understood how the bridge of knowledge is being created between the concept of science and humanities with engineering. Feel free to contact us. Thank you.